So how to check to see if a company is registered or not in the UK. So if you'd like to search up a UK company and find out their active trading status, then the easiest way to do that is to head over to the company's house website, and you want to come to this page here where it says get information about a company. But I'll also leave the link below in the description. So if you want to find out information about a UK company, you can get some details about the company for free, including company information, for example, registered address and date of incorporation, current and resigned officers, document images, mortgage charge data, previous company names, and insolvency information. So if you're ready to look up the status of a company, you just want to select Start Now. And then once you've done that, it will pull you through to this page here, where you're then free to go ahead and search the register. So every business that trades in the UK will be registered on the company register in some way, shape or form. And that goes from massive corporations all the way to small startups. So once you're ready, you can go ahead and enter the information of the company that you want to see the registered status for. So for the example of this video, I'm going to search for Tesco. And then as you can see here, to no surprise at all, Tesco is a registered business on Companies House. So if you want to find out more information about the company, you can go ahead and click them. And then from there, you can go ahead and view information such as the registered office address and the company status, which, as you can see, is currently active. And as you can see here, there's also some accountancy information. And you can also see the nature of the business as well, which, as you can see, is retail. And then clicking through the tabs, you'll also be able to see the company's filing history, the people involved in the company, so that's company directors. And yeah, pretty much every registered business in the UK should provide this kind of information publicly. And I also forgot to mention, you can also see the incorporation date of the company as well. So for the example with Tesco, that's the 27th of November 1947. So you can also see the date the company was actually set up as well. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.